Okay, day 4 of the replacement project. All the sheetrock is up. Mud starting to be put down. It's the living room. Whole back wall done. We're on the front windows. Right up there. Go down. Bottom of the window. And that'll be the first set of mud. Just tomorrow they'll be in sanding and doing some more prep work. My son's room. Everything done. Really nice work. Guess tomorrow though, I'm sure they'll be putting in windowsills. And into my daughter's room. Again, which is just one wall. All done. Very nice. That's it for day 4. Pretty soon we'll get to put the house back together. That's it.